Hey everybody, Jake down here at Kia of Mankato, your how-to expert. Today I'm going to help Android users get Android Auto to work on their Kia that has it available. It's very easy to do. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to your Google Play Store and install the Android Auto application. Once installed, go ahead and open up the application. Once you're in the application, go ahead and follow all of the on-screen prompts. There's a few of them, so make sure to hit allow on everything. Once you see this screen, you're ready to go. The next thing you'll do is take your genuine USB cord that came with your phone, that's the key part, plug one end into your phone and the other into your car's USB port. Then there's a couple more on-screen prompts to follow. Then on your screen, push where the Android Auto app button appeared. And there you have it. Android Auto is enabled. With Android Auto, you can make phone calls. Our favorite part is that you can use Google Maps for off-board navigation in your car. Thank you guys.